Hello dear students, very good morning to all of you. Today we'll proceed with our chapter Direct and Indirect Speech. In last video we did and understood the concept of direct indirect speech. Why do you use direct indirect speech? Why do you need direct indirect speech? What effect it will be on our life if you don't know direct indirect speech? So let's begin further. This you have to remember the golden rule of direct indirect speech, that is drag everything backwards, but only if meaning does not change. This becomes that. Present tense becomes past tense. So when you are reporting into indirect speech, you are dragging everything back. But only you have to keep on your mind, meaning should not change. Otherwise, you don't need to drag. It will remain same. Now, see here, we also discussed about reporting verb. I gave you a list of reporting verb as well. And say, tell, ask, order, command, suggest, wish. All I gave you last day. But you have to choose the reporting verb according to the best sense. So, direct and indirect speech have two parts: reporting verb and reported speech. So, when you are relating into direct speech, it's very easy because you are not changing anything, you are just telling the original dialogue. But the problem arises when you use your own words, and that's why we learn indirect speech. So, first of all, you have to brief you about reporting verb and reported speech. See here, he said. Reporting verb, that is main verb, he said. He said. Said is reporting verb. That he had left his book here. He had left his book here. This is reporting speech. Here he asked me where I was going. Asked is reported the verb, and where I was going, this is reported speech. He suggested that we should go for the movie. He suggested is a reporting verb, and we should go for the movie. This is reported speech. He exclaimed with delight that the place was beautiful. So exclaimed is reporting verb, and the place was beautiful. This is reported speech. We make following changes while reporting into indirect speech. First, reporting verb. So, reporting verb is changed, as I told you already, into the suitable one, according to sense. So, you are choosing the best suitable reporting verb. Second change, in pronouns and possessive adjectives. Third change is in tenses, but tenses only change if there is no change in meaning. If the dialogue speaks about fact, then if you change tense, meaning will change. So, if the dialogue expresses fact or universal truth, tense will not change. Next is there in adjectives and adverbs expressing time or place. Generally, according to rule, it should be dragged back. So, adjectives and its adverbs expressing time, place. So if they show seniority, they are changing to the word, the corresponding word showing distance. But if you find if the meaning changes, then don't need to change. It will remain same. No change if the speaker refers to the same place or object. If the reported speech is in assertive sentence, reporting verb will be chosen one from the list. Say, tell. But when you use tell, you have to use object after it. And he told me. But when you use say, he said. He said to me can be used. But if you use tell me. But if it is say alone, then object cannot be used after it. If the reported speech means dialogue, you know very well. So this is in imperative sentence. Then the reporting verb will be chosen from the list. Command, order, bid, forbid, suggest, advise, pray, beg, request. If the sentence dialogue part that is called reported speech is question sentences, that is interrogative sentence, then you may choose reporting verb from the list that ask, want to know, inquire. If reported speech is exclamatory sentence, then please choose reporting verb from the list that is exclaim, cry out, wish, pray, confess, exclaim with regret, exclaim with joy, exclaim with wonder, exclaim with delight, etc.